What if I told you that you could earn real crypto every single day without trading, mining, or investing a single coin? With the Binance affiliate program, it's possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step.
So in this video, we are going to take a look at the Binance affiliate marketing program. So I'm going to be taking you through the process of applying at Binance affiliate. I've been getting many emails about Binance affiliate marketing program since it was launched. So today I want to show you how to get started with the Binance affiliate program. Learn more about Binance and how it works. Make sure to check out my website gabyimran.com. And by the way, you can also check out videos on the YouTube channel about Binance, how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to spot trade. So let's get started with Binance affiliate program. If you don't know where to find that link, by the way, if you don't know about Binance Square, is where you can write to earn Binance Square platform for writers, share content and earn by tagging some tokens, some market link that you can tag within your content. So from the Binance homepage right now, this is where I am. I want to show you where you find the affiliate marketing link. So from the Binance homepage website, scroll down to the footer where you find these other many links. Look for the affiliate link under services. So this link takes you to this page right here, which talks about percentage of referral commission that you'll be earning, bonuses per month, and then the campaign can use some of the events that you can join, attend to learn more about Binance affiliate marketing community. So the steps here that you required to sign up to become an affiliate, Binance affiliate marketer. First of all, sign up with and share your link and start earning your commission. Very easy steps. So the sign up process is where we are, and then once we are approved after submitting the information, so when you click on this join button, it takes you to this page where we are right now. So first thing, if you can exchange the world for the better Bitcoin, blockchain and Binance. So basically the Binance program is made for people like if you have a big following on the social media, Twitter, TikTok. So this is a program that you can use, and I think they also have the referral program which you can also join, get a referral link or referral code that you can share with your users. Right, so the first thing we are going to do is the first question here is language that you are going to be using to promote the content. Then the next question is what country are you based in? Uganda. Binance affiliate program is available in any country that Binance operates. So my names and then email, then phone number, then how do we connect with you via WhatsApp? Can choose from Telegram, Skype, then username on a social media platform. Which country or region do you plan to market in? For me, I'll choose Uganda for now. Other question, what type of affiliate marketer are you? Let's go back to this tab here, tab clearly. Okay, so we have what type of affiliate marketer are you? For trading, select your affiliate type. Right, so we have questions like language, country, name, email, phone number, how you are going to get contacted, be via social media or WhatsApp, which country you are going to market again, and what type of affiliate marketer you are. Select an affiliate type, influencer or an organization, or maybe a community. So I chose crypto influencer individual. Next, please share a brief introduction about yourself and your respective platform or community. I've already written some stuff in the description about you, what you do, how you plan to market Binance to your audience. Next question, primary channel for promoting the content. Next, your platform URL, the one you just mentioned up here, you're going to be using to promote Binance content. So I put the URL down here, the link which you can just copy by going to your channel, then going up here. You'll see it if you are on your channel, not in your studio. Right now I'm in my studio. So you go to youtube.com, then click on your profile photo. This is how you get your channel name, and then go to view channel. Down right there is my channel name. So you copy that one, Control C, you come back right here and you paste it, Control V, just like that. Next question, how many followers or members do you have on the primary platform? My number is there. screenshot of performance metrics. Now this one, to get it, go to your YouTube or to any of your platforms. Maybe I will show you two of them, TikTok and YouTube. So for YouTube, from your channel, then we just example of going to youtube.com. Make sure you are logged in with the account that you want to use, the account of the channel that you want to use to promote Binance, and then go to your profile picture, click on your channel. Next, click on manage videos. This one takes you to YouTube Studio. As you can see, the URL there is studio.youtube.com, and then from your channel, I said click on view your channel. When you click on the profile picture, that takes you to YouTube Studio. You can see the URL up here, studio.youtube.com. So from your YouTube Studio, you'll find on the left hand side there is the analytics button. So this analytics button takes you to the channel analytics. So everything that's related to how your channel is performing right here. For each video, you can see how many views, how many subscribers, how many watch hours. You can see the content. You're not here to look at YouTube Studio because I already made a YouTube tutorial about YouTube Studio and how to use it. So make sure to check out that video tutorial on this channel at Ngabi Imran. Be sure to subscribe, that way you don't miss any. So from channel analytics, this is the screenshot that you need to take. Just go to your Windows and type snip. It brings up the snipping tool. There's also the snip and sketch. So click on snip and sketch. If you have it, click on new snip and take a screenshot. I think I have another snip window here. Take the screenshot and apply it here or upload it right here. Alright, that is done. So let me show you how to get this screenshot on TikTok before we move on. And for Facebook, you need to go to something called the Facebook Insights. Okay, what I want to use is I'm going to use my account. Alright, so if you have a Google account, you simply click on login with Google or continue with Google or continue with Facebook if you want to use your Facebook account to create login to your TikTok account or to create a new TikTok account. So very easy to get a TikTok account. So anyways, from your TikTok, let's pause these ladies here. From your TikTok, go to your profile picture again and click on the business suite tool. Now, if you haven't converted your profile into a business account, I also have a TikTok video right here on the channel about how to convert your account, your TikTok account, to a business profile. So another one here is how to run TikTok ads using the promote button. So what we are looking for, let's just search. Let's come to the channel and search for TikTok. Hit enter. So we have how to use the TikTok promote button and how to run TikTok ads. Alright, so I think you just come in and look for that video somewhere. Somewhere how to convert your TikTok business. So how to make TikTok business account. This is the video tutorial that you should come. How to convert your TikTok to a business account. This is the tutorial that you need. So let's go back to our TikTok and I'll show you how to get the analytics. So what I was showing you here, the TikTok business suite, this one. In order to have a TikTok business suite, in order to get access to the analytics, TikTok analytics page, you need to have converted your account to a business account, a TikTok account. So that's why I have showed you this video right here that you need to check out on my channel, the intro to TikTok for business, how to convert your TikTok to a business account. So once you convert your TikTok account to a business account, you have access to the analytics, which you can view right here, as you have seen. So you can view the reach. It's been a while since I posted, so my analytics are too low. But this is where you see analytics for last 28 days, last 60 days, and even a custom one, maybe for a full year. Video performance, even if you run ads, see the analytics there. But I haven't run ad because basically TikTok ads is not available in the real advertising platform, is not available in Uganda. But the promote button allows you to get at least get a glimpse of what the TikTok advertising platform can do for your business. TikTok for business. I know that at this stage here, if you go to count and it shows Uganda, it's not on the list. So that's why I say that TikTok advertising is not available in Uganda. That's where you see the platform ads.tiktok.com. But anyways, we're not here to learn about TikTok. Again, if you want to learn a bit more about TikTok, check out my YouTube tutorials. So let's go back to Binance. So that's where you find the analytics that I've showed you. That's where you find this screenshot for analytics. I showed you how to find it in YouTube, and I've also showed you how to find it in TikTok. So from Facebook, we use the insights, Facebook insights. Somewhere the business manager also via the link that says business.facebook.com. That's where you find it. Also for Twitter, I think for Twitter you need to have a pro account, Twitter Premium, which is around I think $7 or $8 per month. Anyway, enough of social media marketing stuff, enough of those platforms. Let's continue with the Binance affiliate marketing program sign up. I think we are almost done, by the way. So we have two more questions to go. What kind of content do you create in your platform? Trading strategy, promotions and sponsorships, information and news. I think mine is a bit more about information, no news. Is there anything else that you would like to share? Let's say, because I've had many complaints about people who have issues with drawing, but probably they are not. Let me even remove this, because if you don't know how to withdraw any Binance from your wallet, you probably haven't checked out most of my Binance tutorials and the website. There's a lot of information about that. So this is the application. I've talked a lot, but I think you have followed along. This is just how you apply. Is there anything else that you would like to share? I think nothing. Thank you very much for the services. Click on submit. Now this is something I'd forgotten. I'm sure I tried to apply for the Binance program some time back, but I forgot about this. So I need to first make sure my YouTube channel is up to 5,000 subscribers, which you guys can help me do, of course, by sharing my videos, subscribe the channel if you haven't. So I get there, and then we get there by helping each other, right? Right, guys? Yeah, but that's how you become an affiliate, a Binance affiliate marketer. This is how we apply. As you apply, in most cases the reply doesn't take long, maybe 48 hours or less. Then you have access to the affiliate dashboard, where you can get the affiliate link and start sharing it with your audience to start making passive come online in Uganda or wherever you are around the world. Alright, so that's the tutorial for today, how to apply for the Binance affiliate marketing program. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Make sure you click on the bell notification button if you have subscribed. That way you'll receive notifications for any video that we upload. Alright, thank you very much for joining me in this one, and I hope to see you in the next video.